This is attempt number 3 for making a sausage that tastes like roast pork and applesauce. And that is not what a sausage is supposed to do. In the previous attempt, I used too much salt, too many herbs and spices, chunks of cooked pork for the roast texture, and large cubes of apple for the applesauce component, which meant to making a really good sausage, but they just tasted like a sausage. In this attempt, I want to try get rid of the particular sausage flavour and push everything towards roast pork and applesauce. That means less salt, no herbs, thin pork slices, and applesauce. Yeah, actual applesauce. I'm using a pork shoulder and a pork chop that I'm going to cook later on. We're going to gently peel off the lingerie and then cut off the flesh because I want to focus on taking the skin off this shoulder. I removed as much of the fat from under the skin and I'm going to put that back into the sausage mince. And then we're going to turn the skins into crackling because crackling carries such a huge flavour compound that contributes to that roast pork flavour. Instead of using all raw meat, I pan-fried the pork chop and some of the shoulder meat and sliced it into thin ribbons to mimic roast pork. The goal was to get that roast pork texture and flavour inside of the sausage. The apple chunks were good, but I thought, what if you could put actual applesauce into the sausage? To try and achieve this, I'm going to add some powdered gelatin into water, dissolve it into the applesauce and turn the sauce into jelly. And once it's into jelly, we'll cut it up into cubes and incorporate it during the sausage making phase. Salt contributes a lot when it comes to both flavour and texture in a sausage. To stop it tasting so much like sausage, I dropped the salt down to a 1% salt to meat ratio. Because roast pork is usually pretty plain on the inside and only seasoned on the outside. And at the time, it seemed like the right move, but this is where things would start to go wrong. I switched to a finer grind on the second pass through and gave the mince a hand mix to try and develop a stronger bind with the little salt that's incorporated. Everything goes in, the cooked pork, the juices, the apple jelly, and the crackling. So this is where the equipment became the problem. This part of the sausage maker has 3 small openings and doesn't like to pass large chunks through. Regardless of that, I loaded it up with a natural casing and started feeding the mince through. Right away, I noticed no chunks were making it through and took it apart to see that it was proper jammed up and everything got stuck before it even reached the casing. I managed to get a bit more sausage mince through before it jammed up again and linked a few sausages together. At this point, I was hoping the cooking process might save it a bit. 20 minutes on the smoker and a quick finish over the coals. They looked pretty good. I was going for that sausage snap, but instead of snapping, it just bent, and all this juice came gushing out of it. The inside was grainy and loose, a bit more like a meatloaf texture rather than a sausage. Because of the low salt to meat ratio, the meat didn't quite bind properly, and the applesauce just seeped through the gaps of the grainy sausage meat. The flavour was there, but it just wasn't the right texture for my liking in a sausage. It was somehow dry and juicy at the same time. Some large chunks of applesauce did actually make it through, but most of it disappeared, leaving empty spaces inside the sausage. The one thing that really surprised me though was the crackling. That really worked. It really brought back some of the roast pork flavour and incorporated it through the sausage. I like that. I feel like this attempt got me closer than any of the others. The sausage itself failed, but the problem isn't the flavour anymore, it's the structure and the texture. I've since then bought a new sausage extruder and it's coming in the mail. So the next attempt will be the final one. And boy, it'll be a banger. Let's see if this finally works.